जानते हैं हार्ड वाटर की वजह से भी प्रीमेच्योर ग्रेइंग और हेयर फॉल की समस्या हो सकती है। जी मनी हेयर शो में मैं नेहा बजाज आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ और आज के वीडियो में हमारे साथ चेन्नई से जुड़ रही हैं डॉक्टर लक्षणिका योगेश, जो कि कॉस्मेटिक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हैं। पिछले 12 सालों से प्रैक्टिस कर रही हैं और डायरेक्टर हैं स्मार्विन्स कॉस्मेटिक हॉस्पिटल, जो कि चेन्नई तमिलनाडु में है। डॉक्टर आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Yeah, thank you. Hi to everyone.
And doctor, today we are going to talk about hair fall. हम hair fall के बारे में आपसे जानेंगे, चर्चा करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले प्लीज टेल एवरीबॉडी कि व्हाट इज हेयर फॉल? हेयर फॉल क्या होता है?
Yes. So many people think hair fall and hair loss are the same. So actually hair loss is different and hair fall is different. See, hair fall is shedding. See, what you experience daily when you comb your hair, it is a hair shedding. That is called hair fall. But when you can say the hair loss is when the balance between the fall and the growth doesn't match. See, actually 100 hairs of fall is normal. So that is actually hair shedding. But hair loss, when you can say when it exceeds more than 100. But the same 100, it's not growing back. It is called hair loss. So we should say hair loss only doesn't match the balance between the fall and the growth. So many people will have hair fall, that is normal. Around 100 hair is very normal for a human being per day. But when it exceeds sudden hair fall, that is called hair.
जैसे कि डॉक्टर लक्षणिका ने हमें बताया कि देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन हेयर फॉल एंड हेयर लॉस। हेयर फॉल मतलब बालों का झड़ना, गिरना, और हेयर लॉस जो है वो गंजेपन यानी कि बॉल्डनेस की तरफ जाता है। तो ये डिफरेंस समझना बहुत जरूरी है। सो डॉक्टर, नाउ वी वांट टू नो व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ हेयर फॉल?
Actually, there are major 3 to 4 types of hair fall. One is anagenic alopecia. See, when I use the term alopecia, please understand it is a medical term. It is a hair loss, okay? Anagen means when the hair growing phase is affected, it is called anagen alopecia. When there is fall, telogen effluvium, it's a type of hair loss when you have fall is more. The more hair in the loss phase. And the other one is androgenic alopecia. It's a hormone related alopecia. That is the male pattern baldness and female pattern baldness. You can see male will have more of hair loss here, the crown part, and the sides here. So that is a male pattern baldness. Whereas female, you can experience a thinning here. The center partition thinning will be here. That is called female pattern hair loss. So these are the main type. Apart from this, there is a hair loss called alopecia areata. You can see coin size loss of hair, like patches of baldness here and there. That is called areata. And the other one is totalis. They will be complete loss of hair. They don't have hair at all. Very rare, very rare. It is a genetic condition. Complete loss of hair. And alopecia universalis, they don't have hair in their body. Even the eyebrows, even the eyelashes, body hair, nothing. They won't have hair anywhere. That is called, these 3 are very rare, very rare. What we commonly see is what I said before, the first 3. So female pattern, male pattern, telogen effluvium, and anagen. Anagen is what? Chemotherapy. You know about breast cancer patient? Those are taking chemotherapy, they experience sudden hair loss. Once they start chemotherapy, there will be too much of hair loss. That is called anagen effluvium. Telogen is what? More of in the shedding phase.
Okay, so there are different types of hair fall and it's very important कि हम एक डॉक्टर को दिखाएं ताकि वो हमारे हेयर फॉल के टाइप को आइडेंटिफाई करे और तभी उसका ट्रीटमेंट भी हो। And now, doctor, what are the reasons? What are the causes of hair fall? Rose, you must be meeting a lot of patients, women, men. What are the most common reasons?
Yes. See, first thing we have to find, as you said before, it is correct. We have to find the reason and treat accordingly. Some patients may be experiencing hair fall because of chemical treatment. That is commonly what the youngsters are doing nowadays. Straightening, smoothing, keratin treatment, coloring treatment. These are all chemical, okay? So I will tell you the top 10, the reasons for hair fall. The first thing is genetic. If you have a genetic hereditary condition, your father, mother, your ancestors are having it, you definitely may experience around 40s. But second thing is dandruff. What we all ignore the part is dandruff. Dandruff is a major cause. We won't give much attention, but it will end up in major loss if you won't treat it. And third thing is the quality of water. The hardness of the water also plays a role. Have you experienced when you transfer from one place to other, you will experience sudden hair loss. You will say, no, like, see, I shifted to Bangalore, I shifted to Hyderabad, I just traveled because of change in water. It is about the hardness of water that will cause a hair fall. The other thing is, as I said, the youngsters are going for smoothening, straightening,
chemical treatments.
Yes, that. Another thing is the shampoo quality, what they use. If they have more of sulfate, paraben related, it will cause the pH of the scalp to change. When the pH gets changed, it will affect the scalp quality. It will end up in hair breakage, hair thinning, that thing. And the very rarely we can say lupus, systemic lupus, that is all very rare. This is a skin condition, psoriasis, lupus, that and all might cause. Another one for female is PCOS. Have you heard about it? PCOD and PCOS.
Polycystic ovary
disorder. That is a major cause. Nowadays it is very much increasing for younger women, and they not know about this PCOD. So they are thinking hair fall is a normal condition, but they don't know they have the PCOD, the hormonal imbalance inside. The other thing is thyroid. That also they will ignore. They don't know they have thyroid. So that also be a reason for hair fall. Other thing, as I said earlier, dandruff is a major thing you have to think about it. Vitamin deficiency, mineral deficiency, sudden workout. If you go to a gym and working out suddenly, there will be change in the hormonal level. That is also a reason for hair loss. So if you're a new mom, you will experience definitely hair loss. Postpartum period. You got delivered a baby, within 2 to 3 months, there will be huge hair gain. Because of the change in hormone you're experiencing it will come back. Another thing, fever. Post-COVID, any viral fever, typhoid fever, jaundice, anything as a physical stress or like internal oxidative stress, viral illness, bacterial illness, long-term fever, chronic illness will result in hair fall. So please identify the cause before you treat the solution.
So identifying the cause is very important. तभी हम जड़ तक पहुंचेंगे. And now, डॉक्टर मैं आपसे जानना चाहते हैं hair thinning, hair fall and hair breakage. What is the difference between them?
Yes. So as I said earlier, the hair fall, I told you, it is like normal shedding. So what you see, the complete strand of hair coming out with the bulb, or it is like coming out, it is called hair fall. So hair thinning is when there is more amount of hair fall in a particular area because of traction. Some girls have the habit of like ponytail. They will have a tight banding, no? So that kind of people will experience hair thinning in that area. When you have a partition on one side frequently, like every day you do on the same side, you will have a hair thinning. Compared to other areas, that thin areas you can see, that is called hair thinning. Hair breakage is nothing, but it will tend to break because of loss of moisture, loss of keratin, and when you do heat treatment, it will tend to break. So when you do smoothing, straightening, the chemical treatment, hair coloring, that everything will end up in the lack of moisture and keratin in your hair. The amino acids in your hair will tend to go out. So hair will become fragile. So at the end, you will get a breakage. So you will have a lot of breakage.
So breakage का सबसे बड़ा कारण है heat treatments, blow drying, straightening. Heat लगने से हमारे बाल बीच से टूटते हैं, जिसे हम hair breakage बोलते हैं. And now, डॉक्टर एक और चीज, क्या विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी भी हमारे हेयर फॉल का एक बड़ा कारण है? हम डाइट को कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं? कौन-कौन से विटामिन्स बालों के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं? Which vitamins are good for hair?
Okay. So nutrition plays a very good role in your hair growth. Okay. So please be careful with what you are eating it. So vitamins, when you say, we know biotin, folic acid, riboflavin, and vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin D. But in this, vitamin D is very important factor for hair follicle. The strength, the base is vitamin D. So make sure you have a lot of egg, vitamin D related milk, calcium related product. This is essential for vitamin D. And vitamin C is more in citrus fruits. You all know Mozambique oranges or something. Vitamin E. And then when you come to iron, it's a major indicator for hair growth. So many people will skip this iron part. So you might be nutritionally deficient in iron part alone. You might be having all the things, but take care of the iron also. So iron is also equally important as vitamin. So increase all the green vegetables, color fruits, color vegetables, everything has vitamin A, C, E, everything. It's all antioxidant. So have more colorful fruits.
So colorful vegetables and colorful fruits अपनी diet में आप शामिल करें. And doctor, my last question is, what is a non-surgical way and a safe way to increase the volume or density of your hair, or maybe for hair regrowth?
Yeah. So when it comes to regrowth, non-surgically we have to increase the follicle. Follicle is nothing but where the hair grows. Okay. So that area we have to go over PRP. So PRP is a basic treatment. In PRP we have lot of hair growth factors. With that we can add boosters, GFC growth factor PRP, laser light therapy is there. That will increase the follicle area. Everything we can do with the PRP itself. We can give the major result with the hair growth.
ओके सो पीआरपी एक बहुत ही अच्छा तरीका है प्लेटलेट रिच प्लाज्मा और उसमें अगर जीएफसी फैक्टर है तो डेफिनेटली आपके बालों के लिए अच्छा है। एंड इसी के साथ डॉक्टर लक्षणिका हम आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहते हैं। यू टुक आउट योर प्रेशियस टाइम फ्रॉम योर बिजी स्केड्यूल एंड यू जॉइंड अस एज अ गेस्ट इन जी मनी हेल्थ शो। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you for taking this interview. Thank you so much.
सो ये थी डॉक्टर लक्षणिका जिन्होंने हमें हेयर ब्रेकेज, हेयर लॉस, हेयर फॉल, हेयर थिनिंग के बारे में बताया और स्ट्रिक्टली वार्न किया कि केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स और हीट हमारे बालों को डैमेज करती हैं। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अपना फीडबैक जरूर शेयर करिएगा। किसी और विषय पर चर्चा देखना चाहते हैं वो भी बताइएगा। ऑन दैट नोट मैं नेहा बजाज आपसे लेती हूँ इजाजत। मिलेंगे जी मनी हेल्थ शो के एक नए वीडियो में विद न्यू सुपर स्पेशलिस्ट। टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग जी मनी हेल्थ शो। अच्छी सेहत हमारा वादा।